name's Fiona and welcome back to Crafted by Rose. In today's video I have an unboxing for you. I am very excited for this unboxing. So this is from Diamond Art Club, and as we can tell by the blue stripe, this is going to be a square. I love squares. Squares are my preference. I don't particularly like rounds, but I do love squares. So this is the Make-A-Wish and Take a Bite by Mandy Manzano. This is her interpretation of Snow White, and the reason I have been looking forward to this kit so much is Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs was my favourite cartoon as a child. I love that and I have some really great memories of that. So very much looking forward to doing this, and in fact this is the kit that I am going to be doing next. So this is, as we said, it is a square. It is a bit of a big one. It is 42 centimeters by 126. No, sorry. It is 42 centimeters by 106 centimeters. Or if you're working in inches, that's 16.5 inches by 41.7. I am loving this kit. So let's get into this. So we have our toolkit. Oh, it's jammed in there. So we have our square toolkit. Let's have a look. So we get a pair of tweezers, and they do have the cap on the end, so that way you're not going to poke yourself on the end or cut yourself, because these are really sharp. So make sure you have your cover on there. Am I getting that on? And then we have our blue drill pen. There we go. And then we have the squishy for our pen. So just like that. Gives you a bit more to grip onto. And then we have, then we have some spare baggies for any loose drills that you have. Or if you have an open pack of diamonds and you want to make sure you don't lose them, some baggies. And then we have a 4 multi-placer. So if you like to multi-place, you have your 4 placer, which will help you get your kit done quicker. Then we have some the signature red heart shaped wax. I really like this wax. It works really well for me. So normally I'll only get through one of these. So I do have quite a stash of these at this point. But as this is my favourite wax, that's a good thing for me. And then we have our clear drill tray. So let's put these back and have a look at the canvas. The only difference that you'll find between your square toolkit and your round toolkit is the square kits have tweezers. Otherwise, it's exactly the same. So this is what you'd get in a round kit. Everything that's already in this bag. To make it a square toolkit, you just put the tweezers in. So let's put that to one side and get to the canvas. So Diamond Art Club's canvases always come in this polythene bag. That way it will protect your canvas from any dust and dirt until you started your diamond painting. So let's get in. This one I am going to have to roll out in sections because it is 42 centimeters wide by 106 centimeters tall. So it's kind of long and skinny. So we have the slogan, do what makes you sparkle, and then the Diamond Art Club logo. You have the scalloped edges. They are serged. That way your canvas won't fray, which you may get from other canvases you get from other sellers if they have not done the serge at the top, and you'll normally know if it's been serged because you'll have that scalloped edges. So you have this at the top of your canvas and it will stop it from fraying. So, and then on your up here you've got a copy of the image that you're about to diamond paint, the size of the painting, the name of the painting, and the model number or the SKU number. So that's your schematic. Then you have a legend on the top left. Just look at how beautiful this is. I love her crown. I want him to put in some special gems here. I've seen some like pearlescent ones I'd like to put in these little parts of her crown here, and maybe some crystals on the gold parts of her crown. And then let's roll this out a bit. The other thing that I want to change on this, if I don't change anything else, is her eyes. How it's been charted, her eyes kind of look orange, and it's kind of giving me evil vibes. I don't know if it's doing that for you, but for me, yeah, I just don't like how they ended up being charted. So I will just probably swap those out for some light brown amber colour, something that's less orange. I mean, it will be a shade brown because I don't see how I could put any other colour in there without this showing through any of the spaces that happen to show up. So I am planning on buying some nice chocolate colour ABs to go in her eyes to swap out these orange ones. It just looks a little bit off to me. Otherwise, this canvas is absolutely perfect. That is the only thing that I actually have an issue with. Is the colour of the eyes. It just makes it doesn't quite look right. Let's roll this out a bit more. I love that crown. It's gorgeous. Her dress is so pretty. I mean, you can only see the top of it, and it's like, there's so much detail that's been put into this painting. I love it. So I am thinking about getting some ABs to put in the shoulders of her dress. Some red ones for here. These to me, my eyes are already drawn to this part of her dress. I just like the idea of some more sparkle there. Let's roll this out a little bit more. So, and then we're getting on to the bottom half of her dress. We're coming up to another favourite part of mine here, where she's holding the apple. I am definitely going to put some either ABs or crystals into that apple just to make it pop even more. I love that part. And then we've got our second legend on our bottom right. And then to the bottom we've got Snow White in the glass coffin. Then we have her Prince Charming trying to wake her up. And on this side you've got the 7 dwarfs as well. There's always new things you notice with Mandy Mazzano paintings, little details that didn't pop out to you the first time. You'll take a second look and you'll find something new. So on the bottom of our canvas we have their social media details. So if you are proud of your masterpiece, then please share it with us on Instagram using the hashtag @DiamondArtClub to be featured on their social media. There's their Facebook account and Instagram page. You have a discount for your next kit. All of Diamond Art Club's canvases come with a lifetime warranty, and you have the ability to replace any drills that you've lost. So you're covered there with your canvas and drills. Then we have our step-by-step, just take that out a minute, step-by-step diamond painting instructions. You may not need these, probably won't, to be fair, unless you're new to diamond painting. So these are perfect for if you're new to diamond painting or you're planning on giving it as a gift. So you'll just have your step-by-step instructions, which are for this is 9 steps from opening your kit to hanging it up, and then you get a discount for your next purchase. So there are our instructions. And then we have this little sticker. So this will, as I suggest on this, you can use it in a logbook if you keep one, or you can use it to help keep track of your stash. It'll give you the name of the painting, the artist, so Make a Wish, Take a Bite by Mandy Manzano, copy the image, the diamond shape and the size of the canvas. I personally don't keep a logbook, so what I do with these is I normally put them on the boxes when I store my canvases away if I'm not going to do them straight away. And then we have a schematic or legend. So here we have, this is one of the older ones, so we don't have the ability to put in our start and end date on here, but with the newer ones do have that. So this is got the name of the painting, again the diamond shape, the size of your painting, a larger copy of the image. So that was what I meant about the coffin at the glass coffin at the bottom. So here you have it here with dwarfs on that side, dwarfs on that side, and then her Prince Charming waiting for her to wake up, which is this here. There we go. So this kit has in it 48 colours. It has just the one AB, which is the 141, which is our white. With Diamond Art Club schematics, they are printed on sticker paper, which makes things a lot easier for you. So let's see if I can get this peeled back. You ever notice when you're trying to show someone something, it doesn't happen straight away? As soon as someone's not looking, you can do it straight away. So there we go, it's on sticker paper. That way you can just cut these out and stick them onto your diamond storage containers. Makes getting up a lot easier and quicker. And then we have our drills. The drills are labelled. So Make Wish, Take a Bite. Let's have a look at these drills. I'm expecting a fair bit of 310 because this is Mandy Manzano's work. So she does the stained glass effect in her diamond painting. So you'll have 310 for your outline. Let's have a look just how much we are going to be getting. That is a lot of drills. So we have this lovely yellow to begin with. So we have 728, and here's the start of our 310. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bags of 310. Then we have 3865, 321, 783, our AB for this kit, which is 141, and we do have 2 bags, so we're going to have a lot of AB for this kit. AB, if you're new to diamond painting and haven't heard that term before, AB stands for Aurora Borealis. That's an iridescent coating that's applied to your drills to make them sparkle that much more. There we go, look at that show up. You can see that extra little shimmer on top. Then we have a bag of 814, and then this mint green 775. Let's put that strip to the side. Onto our second strip, we've got 300 chocolate brown, 754 nice peach, 798, 780, 720, 498, 938, pale yellow, 745, got 782, 758, my favourite purple, 550, 797, 666, our bright red, 948, 519, nice pale blue, 796, 939, which is our dark navy, 823, our medium navy, 3811 and 906. And then onto our last strip, which we are smaller quantities. So we've got 334, 977, 597, 333, 3760, 3371, 3778, 907, 327, 905, bright orange 741, 3776, 904, a lovely jade green 992, 3755, this emerald green 699, 991, 890, 3814, and finally 165. So let's see where the AB is going to go for this. So we have the 1AB, which is our number 1. So we have some of the AB outlining the glass coffin at the bottom here. We have some going up her arms. Then in the bodice of her dress, going around the top of her dress here. Quite a few in her hair, the white lines in her hair, all the AB. And then we have all ABs going through her crown. And then we have more ABs going through this archway on both sides. And then up here on the curtains as well. I love this. I'm very much looking forward to doing this, which, as I said, this is going to be my next kit. So I very much enjoyed showing you this kit, and I am very much looking forward to doing it and adding my own embellishments to this. And I look forward to sharing those embellishments with you and progress with this kit on my Instagram page. And there will also be coming up whipping chats where I'll be working on this, so we can see where I'm going and how it's looking. I will keep you updated. The link for my Instagram page will be in the description box of this video, so if you're wanting to follow along and see what progress I'm making with this kit and the changes I'm making, I will post them on my Instagram page, so click on the link in the description box down below. Well, with that said, thank you for joining me today to have a look at this kit. I'm getting tongue tied. So thank you very much for joining me and having a look at this kit with me. And as you can tell, I am very excited about starting this kit. If you have enjoyed this video, then please do give this video a like. If you would like to see more content like this, then please click on the subscribe button. If you are already subscribed, then please do make sure you have your notifications bell turned on. That way you'll get a notification of when I upload another video. With that said, thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see all of you next time. Bye!